Good morning, my name is Jennifer Silva. Let's start with the activity step for understand negotiations, industrial engineering study. Three problems. Let's start with a cause, maximum efficiency and maximum production is the project model of other plums. Worse effects are fact with or associates. These are closely related to technology transfer is seen as a process by which science and technology are disseminated in human activities. The excess of science of modern technology which generates that aspirations in terms of production of meat or goods and service grew at a faster rate than current technology takes to respond to these aspirations. Consequences. Technology transfer is a dynamic that transforms the current social, economic, and political world. Manage to minimize the undesirable side effects derived from such technological assimilation. But above all its nuance and on many occasions impoverishes the economic fortune and development possibilities of Latin American countries. Our Latin American nations should all tend to develop, avoiding those unfinished factors the technology present modern. Let's start with recommendations. The process of technology transfer implies take advantage of innovations of people. One of these realities, which is part of many companies today, the application of strategies aimed at subdividing the production chain where tasks are generated. There are assigned to work is best able generate that are assigned to whoever is best able to satisfy the company that is on expert in technology has the possibility to provide this assistance and the company that receives it because it trains its personnel with new knowledge and occurs new technologies, becomes more efficient in its process and production. As a professional in industrial engineering, we providing their knowledge as an industrial engineer. Technology can be transferred through contract, halts, savings in product costs, staff training, acts to new markets, reduce risks when expand the company or when there is a strong invest of money. Facilitate invest reduce the risk of project failure. You can get cooperation synergies and support for new events in addition to acquire new technologies for the company. Thank you.